Okay, gonna do a quick review on Great Value multi-purpose household gloves. These are the latex. At Great Values, you don't already know Great Value is a Walmart product. You can buy their Great Value products at your nearest Walmart store. You get one pair per envelope. Here. Flexible fit, BPA free, whatever that is. Extra durable. They're pretty good gloves. If you won't wear gloves and cleaning different things around the house, you won't feel like you need to wear gloves, or you might be dealing with some kind of chemicals you don't want to get on your skin. Slide them on and get a good grip to get hold sponge or whatever you need to hold on. Well, he's flying awful low. I don't know if you picked it up, the camera picked that up or not, but somebody's flew over the helicopter pretty low. I don't know who that was. Alright, but they're pretty, like I said, they're pretty good little gloves if you got some household cleaning and stuff that you want to do around the house. Or anything else that you feel like you need to have gloves on around whatever you're doing around the house. They got good grip on fingers and hands, got good grip on them. Get hold of whatever you might need to hold. Gloves goes up a little bit ways up your arm, past your wrist. To help not only your hands, but your wrist and part of your lower part of your arm. Getting into the chemicals or whatever you don't want on your skin. You find these at your nearest Walmart store. They're Walmart's Great Value, multi-purpose household gloves.